In our previous session, we came to discuss how whether we can create this type of column prompts for dashboards. Okay. Now in today's session, what I'm going to do is I'll be showing how to create image prompt. Okay. I have not created these image prompts in for table levels. Why? Because we won't be using these image prompts much, but as a concept, it's available. So I would like to discuss a little on that now today. Okay. I just don't want to spend more time on that. Why? Because it's not very much useful and we will not be using that very much. But I'll be showing you how to create that image prompts here. Okay. Image prompt is nothing but let me say I have some particular image or else let me say I have some kind of world map. I have some kind of world map with me and I just want to place my mouse on any of the places in that world map, and if I click on that particular location, then my whatever the data that is available with me, that data needs to be drilled down based upon that particular filter that we have applied. Okay, that is all about this image prompt. In order to create that, we need to have images placed in our local host. Okay, let me do that now. Placing images in localhost is nothing but it needs to be available as a link for us so that we can integrate that in our dashboard prompts. If it is not available as a link, okay, we need to place it in our shared drive or else maybe we need to host that particular image in our whatever the server that we are hosting our okay and entire Oracle BI setup. Even our whatever the WebLogic server we are using also, it is also having some kind of a server that can host images and documents. Okay. Now I'm going to show you that particular location where we can save all that images. Okay, it will be available in a location called as, okay, that location will be like a kind of clutter and it's very difficult to remember even. We will not be there is no need to remember this location. Why? Because we will not be using this location very frequently. Okay, that will be available like here C BA11G Oracle BI1 BI Foundation. Here we have something called as web apps v2 res s_blab and images. Okay, here we have placed all our images will be available. If you want to use our own image, okay, this is my own image. This is my own image. I have created this image and I have placed it. Okay, if you want to place your own image even, what you need to do is you can place your image in this particular location, as well as we do have one more location. This is the other location. Okay, we need to place that particular image in both the locations. Okay, we need to place the image in both the locations, and we need to sometimes there is no need to restart our Oracle BI server. Okay, how can we check whether our images were loaded or not is we can test it like this in our browser. See, in this particular link our image should be available. Like In our analytics, this link is common. Up to this link is nothing but our analytics link followed by res followed by s_blab. Okay. From here we need to specify the link because this thing is common in both these things. Here it's from app v2, these three folders are common, and here from var these three folders are common. Okay, we need to specify these three folders so that we are specifying that in this particular link this particular image is available. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we are going to make use of this particular image. In order to work with image prompts, what we need to do is go to our analytics page. Okay, I will be creating a new dashboard page for this image prompt. Log into our WebLogic. Admin 123. It's taking a lot of time. Let me open that in one more new tab even. Okay, it's already open here. Click on your dashboard. Click on edit dashboard. Okay, create a new page. I have provided name as image prompt. Okay, here I need to create this new image prompt here. Click on save, okay, so that this dashboard will get saved. Go to new and click on this dashboard prompt, and we are creating this dashboard prompt for sales subject area M. And in this particular sales subject area M, we are going to create a dashboard for item type. Click on this image prompt. Okay. Here I am providing caption as select your item type. And in description I am providing as click on the corresponding image. After this, here it's asking for URL. This URL is nothing but the whatever the image that I have shown that is available in that particular URL. Up to here everything will be good. And here it's asking like HTML image map. This HTML is image map is nothing but this is purely HTML concept. But I'm going to show you a simple way how to create an image map for any of our desired images. Many people will, even in many trainings they are showing this, but I thought of showing this how we can create this image map. In order to create an image map, just we need to keep our image ready over here. Okay, my image is ready over here. Then what I'm going to do is go to new tab. We have an online tool where we can generate image maps for our HTML. Okay, whatever the image for all our images, we have a tool where we can generate this image map for that particular images. Okay, in this website we can easily create image maps for our particular images that we do have. What I'm going to do over here is click on this upload image. Desktop. I have placed the copy of that my image over here. Click on item type, click on open. here now my image got opened over here. Now this image map is nothing but we need to generate coordinates. Whereas like in Google Maps we have something like latitude and longitude, right? And in the same way we have some coordinates over here, that is x and y positions will get recorded over here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I just need to click on one corner over here and the other corner over here. Now a square shape got generated. This is nothing but a polygon, or it will treat it as a rectangle. If it is like irregular shape, then it's going to treat it as a polygon. Here, based on these 4 points, 4 coordinates got generated over here. These 4 coordinates are nothing but kind of HTML coordinates. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same procedure for all the remaining images over here. Even click on this and this corner. Now one more coordinates got, some other set of coordinates got generated for this particular beef. Click on add area, just click on here and here. I'm going to do the same step for all the images. Okay, I just want to show if it is a polygon, like if it is a map, if it is like India map, then we need to figure it out, right? So I'm going to map a irregular image to this fish. Okay, what we need to do is we just need to click around the particular image so that a shape will get generated for that particular image. See, based upon our number of points that we use, okay, we will be getting a lot number of coordinates over here. See, for it, as this shape is not kind of a rectangular or square, it has taken it as a polygon, and here are the coordinates for this particular shape that I have drawn over here. Okay, just click on add area again, and here just click here once and click on this the other opposite corner again. Now this shape got generated for this particular thing. Okay, this is the HTML image code that we are going to use. Okay, we need to copy code from here, map name, to here. We need to use this code and we need to provide this code over here. The moment we provide this code over here, what happens in the background is the tool will come to understand that for this particular image and for these particular areas, okay, I need to treat each and every of these particular shape that I have drawn as a particular selection. Okay, I'm going to show that to you in the next step. After pasting this HTML image map code, just click on this extract image map from HTML. The moment you click on this, see here, based upon the coordinates that got generated in that HTML code, here 6 empty areas got generated over here. The first area that is there in this particular image is, okay, let me move to my desktop. This is nothing but baking. And the next thing is beef. And the next thing is beverages. And the next thing that is available over there is desserts. And the next shape is seafood. And the next thing is vegetable. Okay, now coming to this column part, this column is nothing but we need to provide for which logical column we need to filter based upon this particular area. This area title is nothing but for our convenience purpose we will be providing names over here that are nothing but general names that we are going to provide. Okay, these names will appear whenever we place our mouse on that particular image. these whatever the names that we are going to provide under this area title are going to appear over there. And coming to this column part, on which column we are going to apply this particular area as a filter, and this value is nothing but to which value this particular area needs to get filtered. Okay, this column is nothing but here each and everything that is present over here are all item types, but what I need to provide here is you need to provide a logical column name over here. To get logical column name, what I'm going to do is I'm opening another new analysis page. Okay, I'm going to generate a report over here with item type. Click on this edit formula. Okay, I'm just copying this logical column name instead of typing it myself and getting typo errors. I'm just copying it from over here and I'm placing this. Okay, all these image areas belongs to this particular column only. I just want to filter areas on this based on this particular column only, so I'm pasting each and everything like this only. And the value is also same over here. For baking, I need to filter baking. For beef, I need to filter the value to beef. For beverage, I need to filter beverage. For dessert, I need to filter it to dessert. And for seafood, I need to filter it to seafood. And for vegetable, I need to filter vegetable. Beverage, beef and baking. I just want to cross check all these things once again. Okay, now click on OK. After clicking on OK, see the preview that is available over here. The moment we place our mouse on this baking product, it's going to change to this hand symbol and it's showing as baking. Until this end of the border, it will show it as baking. Okay, the moment you place your mouse cursor onto this part, now it's treating this entire area as beef. Okay, the moment you place your mouse here, it's treating as beverage. This is the thing that we have generated here now, till now. Now what happens in the background is the moment you click on this particular area, the filter will get added to item type column to baking. Item type equal to baking. It will be generated over there. Now we need to apply this particular filter on any table or report. Click on save prompt now. Dashboard. Now I am giving it as dashboard image prompt. Now my image prompt construction is complete now. Click on dashboard, click on this, it will be a practice. Click on this image prompt. Okay, in order to apply that particular filter, we need a report, right? So I am going to import a new filter. Click on this edit dashboard. Okay, click on this catalog. Just add one report that contains this item type. Okay, I'm going to use this particular report because it contains region, item type and dollars, so that I can filter this particular item type over here. Now I want to add this particular prompt I have generated. Where I have set that particular image prompt, dashboard image prompt now. Is this the same thing or no? It's a report. I just want to see. Just leave page back. catalog. It is saved over. Okay, it is present under my folders. Okay, now this particular dashboard image prompt is available under Rajesh underscore Harish. Now click on this dashboards. Click on this image prompt. Just want to add some data to this particular page, so I clicked on this. But I'm not getting this dashboard image prompt. See, now this dashboard image prompt is available over here. We drag and drop it over here, and we need to add a report for this particular dashboard prompt event. I'm going to add this region item type and dollars. Click on save and click on run. Now this item type needs to get filtered with this particular based upon the particular selection. The moment I click on this, but it's not getting filtered. Why? Because we have not provided is prompted for this particular item type in this particular report. That is the reason why it's not getting triggered. Go to edit, go on this edit analysis. In the criteria tab, and to item type, filter, provide it as is prompted. Click on save and return to DWA practice. Now, as I have provided it there, it needs to get filtered. Click on this desert. See, the moment I click on desert, it will get filtered to desert. Item type will get filtered to desert. The moment I click on this seafood, okay, now item type got changed to seafood. The moment I click on this vegetable, it will get filtered to vegetable. Okay. Generally, these kind of image prompts will be used for filters like if we have something kind of world map, we have our business spread around the world. The moment we click on that particular country, it need to get that particular country's data should be available over there in our dashboard. That should be the main concept there. Okay, I don't have any good data to show for each and every country, and also that's why I have created this particular image and I'm showing this particular stuff to you. Okay, this is all about this image prompts. Okay, whatever the variable prompts that is available, you guys spend some time and work out on that. Why? Because this particular variable concept is same as if like variable concept that I have discussed in filters. Okay, there is no change at all. Each and everything will be same. Okay, you guys practice that particular thing on your own. And coming to the other part, okay, what are the leftover parts that are present over here? Okay, here this column is nothing but the main part of a page is called as column. Okay, for each and every object a column will be created and a section will be created, and a section is nothing but a subpart of column, and section is used to organize data. This particular section that is used to organize data into, okay, organize our dashboard objects to align them horizontally or vertically. Okay, let me say like here I want this to be besides this. Then I can do it over here based by using this section. And one more thing is that in section we can provide permissions. In section we can provide permissions. The permissions are something like, okay, for particular user I need to provide access, then I can provide access for that particular user. And I just don't want to provide access to one single person for this particular two tables. Okay, I have around three sections in this dashboard, and I want to block access to particular section for a particular person. Then I can provide such dynamic okay, I can provide such dynamic permissions over here by using this account button. I just want to block access to M Chandra. Okay, click on users search. Okay, for this particular M Chandra, add this particular M Chandra, and you just want to deny access for this particular section to M Chandra and click on OK. Then this whatever the components that are present in that particular section will not be available for that particular individual user. Okay, that is all about this section. Coming to this alert section, I'll be discussing this alert section when I am going to discuss about delivers. If possible, I will be discussing that now. Okay, this action link and action link menu. Okay, these are two advanced concepts. Just remember these things. Okay, let me note it down. I'll be covering that later. Action links, comma, dashboards. Okay. I have just noted that in topics to be covered because they are going to take a lot more time. So I am skipping them and I am going to discuss both these things individually. And coming to this link or image, this link or image is nothing but if you want to add some image or link to our particular dashboard, or else you just don't want to display this entire report, you just need to provide a link kind of thing for that particular report, and by clicking on that particular thing, then only you want it to be displayed. Then we can use this link or image. Okay, let me work out on that. Click on new. Okay, I have added a new section for this, and I am adding this particular link or image over here. Okay, after dragging and dropping this particular link or image into this section, click on this properties. Click on the caption. This caption is nothing but the caption that is going to get displayed for that. I am going to provide caption as overall sales analysis. Here I can provide any external URL, or else I can even provide analysis or dashboard link even. Okay, let me show that now. Here in this particular folder, I want to provide this year, region and dollars. And here it's asking target as current window or new window. If it is like current window, the moment we click on that particular link, it will open. It's going to open on our current window only. If you give it an option like new window, then it's going to open in new tab. Let me add this new image event. This image here, image we need to provide image in a format. Okay, this format is nothing but the format that we have used during while we are working on title view. How we are going to provide image in title view? It's nothing but fmap colon images slash the image name. The image name is nothing but any of image over here. Click on F2, copy this name. This is nothing but JPG image. So I'm providing it as .jpg. Image layout. Okay. To the right of caption, to the left of caption, below caption or above caption. Okay, I'm going to provide it as to the right of caption. And just click on OK. Click on save. Okay. Click on this run so that we can test whatever that we have done now. See, Now I have changed this position in this particular thing. Okay, that is on that column, right? Okay, I have changed the alignment to parallel. So this position was switched to over here. Now let me drag down. See here, it will be available just as a link. If customer wants to see that particular thing, then only he can click on that, so that it will be open over here, because I have not provided new window option over there. The moment I click on this, okay, it will be available on the same page. The moment to click on this return, you can again return back to the actual location. Okay, that is the use of that image or link. Click on edit dashboard. Okay, let us work on the other components that are present over there. This is all about this image or link. And coming to this embedded content. This embedded content is something like, if you want to embed some data that is present on some website, okay, and on that particular website it's going to it keeps on changes dynamically, and you just want to keep displaying that particular dynamic content on your dashboard. Or else it may be a scenario like that particular content is from any other external source. Okay, you don't have that database access and all this stuff. You just want to display that some particular figure onto your dashboard. Then we can make use of this embedded content. Okay, let me show that to you now. Okay, this page is almost full. I'm going to add a new page for this embedded content. Click on OK. Here I'm going to add this embedded content. The moment I drag and drop this embedded content, a section and column will get automatically created for this particular object. Click on properties. Here I need to provide URL. Okay, the URL may be of any URL. Let me say I just want to embed my blog over here. Okay, let me open that particular thing. Okay, I have opened my blog. I have copied this link and I'm going to use that over here. I have pasted it over here. Here we need to provide width. Okay, we need to provide size and shape. We need to do some testing. Okay, to map it exactly to the location that we need. Okay, click on OK. Click on save and click on run. Now let us see whether how it's going to appear over. See, now my entire blog is available over here. Let us say in my blog, I'm maintaining some data in this location. Okay, I'm maintaining data in some kind of data like a share value in this particular location, and that particular share value, you just want to embed that particular share value. Okay, you just want to embed that particular share value onto your dashboard. Okay, such kind of embedding operations you can do it by using this embedded content. That is all about this embedded content. This text is nothing but you just want to display some textual data, maybe some description to corresponding to this particular report, or then we can make use of this text and click. I just want to edit this text. Here we can provide whatever the description you can. Okay, you can even provide some HTML tags for that, so that if you want something like in a broad heading kind of thing, then you can provide HTML tags here even. I'm providing some data like you can watch the share value in the above box. You can watch share value above. click on this preview. Okay, this will be nothing but kind of normal text. If you want to get something like highlighted kind of thing like headings or something like that, then you need to provide HTML tags over here, and we need to check this. It contains HTML markup. Now click on preview. Now see, now heading got enabled. Why? Because we have provided some HTML tags. Okay, there is nothing to worry that we don't know any kind of HTML. These are nothing but basic HTML tags. We can ask any of our UI development teams so that they will help us with this. Click on OK. Click on save and click on run. Now under this particular content we got this particular description. Click on edit dashboard. That is all about this text. And coming to this folder. This folder is nothing but, okay, you have placed some around some group of reports, okay, some set of reports to that relate to particular business. We have, okay, you have all that content in some folder in your catalog, and you want to share that entire folder. You want to share that entire folder to the customer, and the customer, depending upon his usage or requirements, he is going to select that particular report, and okay, he can work on that. If you feel like sharing your entire folder, okay, entire folder that is present in your catalog, so that the customer can use whatever the reports he wants. And you just don't want to place all the reports on the dashboard, because they will not be using that frequently, but depending upon their usage, okay, whenever there is a requirement, they are going to provide. We need to provide access to that particular reports, and we just need to provide a small link kind of thing at the bottom of the dashboard, so that whenever that customer needs that particular report, he can select that folder and he can use that. Okay. Now during such scenarios, we can make use of this folder. Drag and drop this folder in order to provide a path. In this properties, we need to provide path to the folder. Okay, the folder is nothing but catalog folder over here. Click on browse, and in shared folders, I just want to share all this content that is present under this Rajesh and Harish. Click on OK. Here it's asking two things, that is show RSS link. This RSS link is nothing but the moment they check on this RSS, they will be getting frequent updates if there are any changes over here. This expand is nothing but whether this folder needs to be presented in expanded mode or not. Okay, I just don't want to expand. Whenever the customer clicks on this particular link, then only I want this thing to get expanded. So I'm not checking this, and I'm clicking on this OK. Okay, click on the save and click on run. Now let's see whether how our folder is present over. See, okay, it is now available as a folder over here. The moment when customer wants any particular report, then he can expand that particular folder and he can access whatever the things he need. The moment he double clicks on any report, then it will get navigated to that particular report, and here we have there is return button. Yeah, he can access whatever the report that he wants in this particular folder. Okay, that is all about various components that are present under dashboards. By using all these components effectively, you can design wonderful dashboards as per your requirements. That is all about these dashboards. Okay, you have asked one doubt over here, right? Okay, how can we print the entire dashboard? That is available over here. Okay, the moment you click on run, okay, this will be the output to the customer, right? If the customer wants to print this particular dashboard, okay, if the customer wants this particular dashboard to get onto his desktop or somewhere else, if it is okay, he can print it to printable PDF or printable HTML or he can export it to Excel for his own, to applying his own calculations. Okay, we do have each and everything over here. Okay, if it is like a PDF, then see, it will be available as a PDF. PDF will get generated for this entire dashboard over here. Okay. This entire dashboard was imported into a PDF page. Is this cool, Rajesh? Now you can save this particular thing onto your desktop and you can work on this. This is all about dashboards. Now, and from today I am going to cover advanced RPD concepts and all. Okay, and okay, all these simple concepts are over by today. Okay, and from tomorrow all the concepts that I am going to cover are a bit kind of complex. Okay, no, tomorrow I am going to cover delivers, even that is not very complex, and after that we are going to jump into advanced OBA concepts. In order to learn that, you just need to brush up with all the RPD concepts once again. If you have forgot that by now, then it's better to brush up.